Yo, you guys, so today we're gonna have a look at this muscle tuner, the EMS training. It's a belt only for your stomach or belly to work on your abs. So let's see what's actually in here. And let me tell you that beforehand, you won't get a six pack just from using this by itself. I would say, or I recommend using this as an addition to your workout. So you're going to the gym or you work out at home, and then in between the sessions, you can use this to increase the training effect you are having. So how this works is you just open this all up, and then here are the pads for your stomach. You should make them wet before you use that. Then you close it back up, and then you're gonna put this little computer in front. Let me show that here. Remove all of that. So you're gonna turn that on, and then there's different modes you can choose from. First off, you place it there. Here we have these buttons. I'm just gonna plug them on, and then you're gonna choose the mode. There's like, well, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, I think in total. And then you can increase the intensity with a plus or decrease it with a minus. And yeah, you will figure out which mode suits you. They all do different things, like short shots, long shots, and all that. And definitely play around with the intensity because it can feel kind of painful, not gonna lie. And 19 is quite a bit, but on the other side, after a while, your body is getting used to it. So yeah, you have to play around and figure out which one works best for you. And as I said, keep in mind it's not gonna magically get your abs. So I threw that on. As you can see now, it's on my stomach, and I don't know if you can see it. It's penetrating my muscles right now. You can see a little bit that it's moving. So let's try a different mode. I don't know. Can you imagine it just... Oh, okay, well, yeah, that targets a little bit more. I would say it should be enough for today. I'm Badger and I'm out.